out the party.
Let's check out the floor. It's pretty cool.
Spiral staircase.
Uh-huh. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Ah. Femme et homme. Femme.
And whoa.
Wow.
Wait.
A little crowded. Give it a little flush first. Alright, hold on. Let's see what brand it is. It's a...
There? That's cute. No beer. Place.
Oh, that's the big flush. Oh my goodness. That's for poop. That's a poop flush. That's a poop flush. Yeah, you see that? Oh. I think someone's in there. Someone's in there. You have to wait. Oh. Okay. Oh, I don't know if you can reach that. It's very tall. It's too tall for you. Let's see. Let's see.
Button. Push.
All right. Oh no. Hard to see. Dark. Dark and immense. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to see that poop flush again.
Alright, let's give it a flush.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good flush. Hey, you gotta move to the side if you're gonna keep flushing. That's just a little flush. That's just a pee flush. Okay. Okay, let's go see.
Oh, that's a pee flush again. Okay, I'm going to be on the big side.
Okay, that's a good plan. Because these are tricky stairs. And then let's go around the back. Okay. Okay, coming. Keep coming. Okay. You press it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, both doors.
Both doors. All right.
So this door.
Go to 2.
1.
2.
Oh, 2.
Doors closing.
So it's... It's just like this.
A fan. Fan. It's got a mirror.
What is that like that?
Yeah. What door do you think 2 will be? Oh, it tucked. Tucked. Oh,
Now let's go out.
No, we're gonna go right down to 0.
1.
All right, 1. Doors
Let's
closing.
see what's 1.
Mm-hmm.
So minus 1 is the toilets.
Oh yeah.
That on one.
Yeah, it's locked.
This one on it.
Oh no,
What?
that's a hotel. Go to 0, and we'll go out the lobby.
That's a hotel.
Uh-huh.
This is
Go.
a hotel.
All right, going down. Oh, it talks. Did you hear it? It's a talking elevator.
Yes.
Talking elevator.
5.
With a red doors. Porte Rouge. No. Now we go back outside.
Bye-bye, YouTube.
Yeah, hold on. Come back to our table, actually. There's the bathroom.
Bye-bye, YouTube.
Alright. Right here.
Over.
Say bye-bye, YouTube.
Bye-bye, YouTube.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.
High five. High five.